commissioner, bigyan naman ng action yan. Talagang deliberate takita kasi bakit hindi nila tingnan dun sa monitor? Sunday Salvacion, ang ganda ng laro niya tapos tinira ngayon putok dito sa ulo. Parang pinasok lahat tayo para manira lang, gawin namin sa kanila yan, gusto ba nila? Parang hindi tumatanggap ng pagkatalo Talo lang tapos maninira lang sila ng ganon, parang hindi sila sports noon.
Basta kami, naglalaro lang kami, pero kung yan ang gusto nila, ang ginagawa nila sa amin, hindi kami ganun player, tatanggapin lang namin yung tira nila. Kami, babalik kami. Kung yan ang gusto nila, lalabang kami.
Anytime it comes to the end of the game like that and you put in those guys, you know what I mean? That's what they come in and do. If they want to play like that, we can play like that too.
Pag lamang ka ng 20, alam man lagay mo pa yung regular players mo sa loob, di ba? When we were down by 20-25 with the last 6-7 minutes, my thought was already on Sunday. So I wanted to preserve my regular players. You know, that's how those guys played. There wasn't any malicious intent at all.